Hello, Dutch. Well, yes, you can do it, Dazzle. Go, Dazzle. Fighting can open for us. And he found it. It's a round of applause for Dazzle with winner Mikey.
Nagklap-klap man ang bata. Oy! Wait lang. Ayan mo, dalawa na. Sit down na.
There will always be Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of win-win hawks, and today they will battle it out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I will divide you guys into two groups. Where's the girls? So the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, let me hear you cheer. Sassy, Sassy. Very good.
Boy ka, uy, boy ka, boy. Oh, boys.
All the boys will cheer for Rocky.
Oh, Rocky, Rocky. Rocky, Rocky.
Very well. So Bert's ready. Trigger's ready. Set. Go! Here comes Rocky on his first ball. First ball for Rocky.
Rocky.
Second ball for Rocky. Inside that game.
Oh. Panalo, boy. Panalo si Rocky.
Yay! Trainer Rochelle.
Girl.
What can you say about
Talo?
that?
Talo.
You guys, it's this time.
Ikaw lalaki ka.
We want another race.
Oh, she wants another race, Trainer Vince.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want the race.
And what is a ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the hole, the fastest is the winner. And that's the ring race.
So, our ring race it shall be.
Swimming.
Remember, guys.
Mami,
boys
swimming.
already have
Wala
1
pa, mamaya
point.
pa.
So, girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky on his first ring. First ball for
Ay, ang talino. Ang talino.
Malalo ka, malalo ka.
Opo.
Tapos akong malalo.
Oh.
Sige tayo malalo.
Wala, di pwede yan.
Tatlo. Sabay-sabay.
Trainer Vince, what can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys did it!
Oh, he thinks you cheated.
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? Of course. But a round of applause for Sassy.